is Nicole Russi. I am currently in the collision program. I had first came here to enroll in the associates program for automotive. I heard about NYADI through Instagram. At the moment I was working in the medical field and I scrolled upon a post about an open house. So I decided to come talk to one of the advisors and I felt really interested in coming. And so far I've enjoyed it and it's given me a lot of insight on cars, which I like, and how they work. I'd say the car shows are definitely interesting. I remember I had went on a field trip for a BMW step program and I found that very interesting, like something I could do after I graduated. And I really liked the facility in New Jersey. It had an auto program and collision program. I remember when they brought in the health cat. I was here before it came and then it showed up and that was interesting. Mr. Serrando's class can be very spontaneous with all of his gadgets and technical subjects. I'd say before I came to NYADI, I had no experience or knowledge about auto. Well, firstly, while I was in school, I was working at Pep Boys part-time, so I was kind of learning and working at the same time. So it really opened doors for me and gave me a chance to get in the field and be hired. Because most of the time, well, from my point of view, since I'm a female in the industry, employers don't always look for someone that has no experience or knowledge, and nonetheless, for whatever reason, a female in the industry. But I'm thankful and grateful that I got that opportunity to work at Pep Boys and work at other places. Okay, so when I graduated, Mr. Chen, an electrical teacher that was here, he had told me about a program with Tesla called Tesla Start. I had applied. They always look for someone who has some experience. I actually had 2 interviews, and then after that, I got accepted. I had to move to North Carolina, basically to take care of myself down there. The program, it's a paid internship, so I was there from May to September of last year in North Carolina, just going through the program, learning the basics, doing all the homework, the labs. And after that, I graduated and I came back here to New York, because that's where I'm from. And I worked in Syosset Service Center, and then I had moved to the new dealership in Westbury, Long Island. I'd say if you really want to make the rest of your life about cars and auto, whether it be auto, diesel, collision, you could come here. You just have to take it very serious. You have to understand that you are here in a way independently, and what you gain out of here is all on you. I advise that you come here to be willing to listen and to be taught. Don't act like you know everything. If you have some knowledge on the outside, that is fine. You could bring it here, but still consider what the teachers have to teach you and understand that they have more experience and knowledge. Take advantage of your time here with career services, all the teachers, all the services entirely. You have a lot of advantages to get from here, and